Hello everyone, so I've got another Modelones video for you today. So today we are going to be swatching this gel polish set, and it comes in this absolutely gorgeous box. So yeah, how nice is that? Let me just show you the side of it. It's just, yeah, the artwork on it, it's just really nice. I don't normally keep the boxes, but I think I'll keep this one because it is very, very nice. So let's open it up. Okay, so we've got the gel polishes with the wooden lids. So I've only got a few of these in my collection, so now I've got some more. So these look really good on your shelf. They are really nice style bottles. So got a little card in with it. Oh, and it's just got what you need to do and how long you need to cure it for and everything, and the support as well. Okay, so that's that. So I'm just going to take them out and see what colours we've got. Now this is a set, so I'll let you know what the set is called. Let me just get all these out and then I'll come back. So this is the temperature set. So I don't know if you can see whether that's, you know, it is quite small type on there, so it might be hard to see. So these are all temperatures. So the first one is this sort of pinky lilac one. It looks on the label. Sometimes these labels aren't the same as what the colour actually is. So this is below 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 80, and 100. So I'm going to get the swatch sticks out. I'm going to swatch these all for you, and then I'll come back. So I'm going to put 2 coats of every colour on the swatch stick. Also the base coat I'll put on first, then 2 colour coats, and then I will put the top coat on. So also I have ordered for myself, I bought these myself. I bought a top coat and I bought the, what's this one? This is the matte top coat. So I'm going to use, yeah, the glossy on one side and the matte on the other side, so you can see what they look like, matte and glossy. Okay, so here they are all together. They are absolutely gorgeous, these colours. They are so creamy. They're so, I mean, you saw when I was swatching them, they just go on so well. I always have trouble swatching on these massive swatch sticks because they're so long. But this polish just glides on. It's really gorgeous and the colours are beautiful. And also, this is the first time I've used the matte top coat and I love that as well. It's like the Madame Glam one. It's really good. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, those are all the colours together. I'm really, really impressed with them.
Right, okay, so I've got the practice hand out now and we're going to do a little design with some of these colours. The first one I'm using, I've just shown you there on the screen. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I love this one, this blue one. It's beautiful. I'm in love with this colour. So that's the blue one, and then the lilac one I'm going to use at the top of the middle nail, and I'm going to do an ombre on this nail. So gel polish ombres aren't the easiest, but if you've got a thicker gel polish, sometimes it's easier. I mean, everybody's different in how, they do ombres with the gel polish. Some people like to use sponges, some people like to use thinner gel polishes, some people like to use thicker ones. I've tried a few ways and I seem to do it a bit better with the thicker ones. And so knowing these were thicker, I thought I'd have a little go and see how it went. So I'm putting the lilac on the top and then that blue one on the bottom, and I'm ombreing in the middle there, and I'm doing this in 3 layers. So I'm only showing you me doing 2 layers. Now the first layer doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, but the closer you can get to how you want it, the better. Obviously I've sped this up because it would have took ages and the video would have been really long, so I'm just showing you me doing it twice. And then on the third go you should have it sort of practically, how you want it, how you like it. So I absolutely love the way that they look together, and the ombre on this one, I was really happy with it. So as usual, I will put links in the description box for all these products, so that you can get them from the Modelones website using my 10% off code, or you could get them from Amazon. And I'll leave the links on there as well, because getting them from the Modelones website, it can take a while to arrive. If you want them a bit quicker, then you can order them off the Modelones store on Amazon. So yeah, I'll put those links on for you. So Modelones did send me this set for review, but I would definitely buy this set. These are my type of colours. I absolutely love them. I mean, I love the other colours as well, but I just chose to use the blues, and the lilac one in this little design, because they were sort of my favourites, and I wanted it to be, those sorts of colours. So on the pinky finger, I've put the lilac all over that nail. And then on the ring finger, I've put the blue. It does actually look a bit turquoise. And it is a tiny bit, but it's actually more blue, more of a baby blue in real life. But this, I wanted to use a glitter gel with this ring finger. So I've got the gel from Modelones, it's the glitter gel. So these are the gels in the pots. It's a bit difficult to use this over a gel polish because, there's not full coverage and some of the glitter is quite chunky. You just have to sort of move it around a bit until you're happy with it. So all of the coats of the colours I've cured for 30 seconds. The glitter gel I've cured for 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with this Modelones glitter colour over the pinky finger and the index finger. So the glitter's very, very slightly pink, but it does go over these gel polishes really nicely, and it goes over the blue and the purple one, and it's only a tiny little bit pink, so it's more like glittery than anything else. So I love the way that one looked. And then after that, I'm going onto the middle finger, so the ombre, and I'm going to be doing like a swoosh with some more glitter gel, but this is called Oscar Skirt, and it's the silver one, the silver holographic one. And I love that. So yeah, I've just moved that around until I was happy with it. And then I've gone in with the matte top coat on the ring finger, and I've gone in with the normal top coat on all the other nails. And the reason I've gone on with the matte top coat on the ring finger is because I'm going to do a little bit of chrome on that nail. And I like to make sure that the chrome isn't going to stick to anywhere else on the nail other than where I've painted it on. So that's why you need to either wipe your inhibition layer off, or you need to put a matte top coat on, or buff the nail a little bit before you do it. So I'm getting my ultra liner brush and I'm just painting on a little design. I should have used a different colour actually, because you can't see what I'm doing because it's the same colour as the nail colour, but I could just about see what I was doing. So yeah, I'm painting on a little design, and then obviously when you've cured that gel is sticky, and because I used the matte top coat, none of the rest of the nail is sticky at all. So the chrome is only going to stick to that little design. So when I'm happy with it, I'll cure it, because if you don't cure it, you're just going to end up smearing it all over the place. So I do cure that for 30 seconds, and then I go in with the chrome. And I'm using one of these chrome palettes from Modelones. I have reviewed these, there's quite a few of them, but this is number one. And I wanted to use, it's like a sort of tealy, turquoisey green colour. So I'm using that one, and that's going to go over just that design. So I'm just rubbing it on with the eyeshadow applicator on the white side, and then I'm rubbing it in again with the sort of orangey side. And then after I'm happy with it, but before I top coat it, I make sure that I brush it, so that I brush all the excess powder off. And then I go in with the shiny top coat over that nail. And then that's those nails finished. So here they are with the top coat cured, and I am absolutely loving these nails. Really, really love them, and I think the chrome turned out a lot nicer than I thought it would actually. So yeah, I was super happy with that as well. I'll have to play a little bit more with some designs and chrome, because I think that just looks so good. And I love this gel polish set, and the colours are absolutely gorgeous. Really, really happy with it. So did you like this set? Is it something that you'd wear? Do you have trouble doing gel polish ombres? Because I know I do. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you like these, and if you've bought this set. It's definitely a good buy. I don't think it's a new set. It's been out for a while. So as usual, thanks so much for watching. Thank you to my subscribers for subscribing. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!